But since your mind no carry, I give you, huh? Lolo, now talking be that too.
You go sweet me for
You
my
think say they wise?
It be like this one too small for me. Wait. Wait.
There is God.
Lolo,
Oh.
bring cup. The water where you bring now, no, you know say I know they like to drink water. And short, carry your food back. Carry your food now. Give me my own.
You
Now
are
my own
failure.
be this
You are a
now.
failure. You can
I,
never
This life,
make it.
be contented
You
for what you
can
get.
never. You know you cannot
wait
make. You are a
now.
failure. You
You
can
not tell
never
me
make
say
it.
it dey like this now.
You
But
can
Wait.
tell you.
never. You
Now
know
no
you
be meat
cannot
where you no be
make
talking
it.
where you cook for me now you dey chop so.
Mm-mm.
No problem. Take
There
wait
is
now.
God.
Take it. See as you
Oh.
just guide everywhere. Hey. Wait, no, take your food. Which one be?
Mm-mm.
Lolo di lolo. Lolo di lolo. Lolo di lolo. Lolo di
You think say they
lolo.
wise?
Lolo di lolo.
This one not be my food. You swap the food.
Hmm?
You change the food. And my food be this one.
No, I see. I feel say this one now is because I don't want to eat too much. You understand?
You don't want to eat too much.
I
Don't
see
be you
that
when me
this
know
one.
you will like food.
No, I see
Because of
that.
this meat, when you say, give me the meat. Take this one.
We have already prayed now. Why you go take that one?
Leave one like that. Okay? But why you go change my food?
Because we have if you pray, now me will give you by myself.
Okay, carry.
You understand?
Guys,
If you pray,
it's okay. Now that one you want to eat, I been on this one you want to eat.
well, eat this one now.
Okay, no one. Guys, come on.
I do not like this one.
I like them. Just the eat.
The fried rice necessary.
Very delicious, guys.
This chicken feet is small. The lap is small. Next time you buy a big chicken, okay?
I got that. You say next time.
And the meat.
Now bone you come to me bone.
Don't worry. I'll take this
No,
one. You will take this one. May you know say I'm a good man.
No, okay. If you be a good man, if I not change the food.
Maybe say I change the food.
No,
I don't want to eat too much.
nobody will chop.
But since your mind no carry, I give you, huh? Lolo, now talking be that too.
You think say they wise?
You go sweet me for my belly.
It be like this one too small for me. Wait. Lolo, bring cup. The water where you bring now, no, you know say I know they like to drink water. And short, carry your food back. Carry your food now. Give me my own. Now my own be this now.
This life, be contented for what you get.
Wait now. You not tell me say it dey like this now. Wait. How you go do like this?
I dey see this video today. I say I go do you whether you go for put and you call it for put.
I for put. So na prank you no dey do like that now. No be meat wey no be talking wey you cook for me now you dey chop so. No problem. Wait now. Take you. See as you just guide everywhere. Hey. Wait. Part. No, take your food. Which one be?
No, do like that.
Then they do like.
Now you change the food.
But I want my own back now.
You don't value what you have until you lose it. So if you don't value your food, you lose it.
Which kind you don't value what you have? I value what I have. Me, I dey do am in the sense of say I dey pity you. You understand? Wow, give me 1 minute now. Wait now. So only you want chop on. But why are you doing like this? Say I see the sweet you now. No problem. So now the meat when you full here now won't take you to heaven. Let's take you. Hey! Why they do like this? I think come out this thing for my this thing. No problem.
Hope I'm not there before.
Why you carry meat, full meat for under this thing? You can't carry. They eat now too much meat, not even good for body.
Just love you.
Part of those meat that you put it back.
Finish.
This one is not my own. See my own. I know my own.
Line on back. See your own here. You want finish.
No problem.
Hope I'm not there before. Shako. Jesus! If I don't finish, I can't go inside. This food that belongs to me. Let me check that one. See.
Yeah, never. So now meat you use do the foundation of the food. Carry rice, cover inside. Can't give me only this one. You know good. You know good. What do you do me no good?
What you know? Those kind of show like you they like.
Me self, I know too much they like meat. I know too much they like meat. Let me see.
Come on to Anna. Oh, be more one lay, pep.
Every time with them. Every day I'm with them. Yeah, wow. Hey, wow. Something like so. I don't treat myself.
That's what you know.
But no problem. I know too much they like meat.
Next time, be wise.
I know too much they like meat.
I only put bone. I put bone, not those feathers. So use that to deceive you.
You are a woman. Now challenge, man. Challenge. If anybody will eat finish.
I want to challenge you.
Or slap the other person. Huh?
Oh God. Best thing that will happen to a man is to lose what belongs to him.
I don't lose anything, no. As you see me, this food. I know too much they like meat. But I don't so much like meat. But like so this one I got meat too. I got meat with this.
We are in battle. We are in battle in this world.
See your mouth. Not this one is the shoe.
If I mú yọ ẹ fanu dé ga ẹ. Ẹ̀yà gbọ́n mi. Yẹ ká ẹ sì fún ni o. Dédé. Guys, I try you. Share your food.
Na challenge o. It's better finish it.
Not finish you.